Come on. You done?
It is Sunday. It's about 9:34. And I didn't vlog this, but Friday we took Zoe to the vet because she was getting sick again, the same stuff. And they did an x-ray, and poor little thing has liver cancer. And so it had moved to her lungs, and she had fluid on the lungs, so they drew off some fluid and gave her some medicine, so she's breathing much better. And anyway, I think prednisone is what they gave too, to help, make her feel better as long as possible. And my brother sent me a link about the Gerdson diet for cancer. This one guy did it for his dog, and it cured it. I don't know if it can help, but I'm going to juice her up some veggies today and start giving her that.